Hey everyone, I'm Shruti, a graduate from Alareddy Engineering College in Computer Science and Engineering. Today, I want to share my personal experience with the Red Hat Academy program and answer some common questions.
How did you first hear about the RHA program?
I first got wind of the Red Hat Academy program through various channels, whether it was a seminar, webinar, a technical event, or a recommendation from a head of department. I'm grateful for that initial introduction.
What was the process like to join, and did you have to pay anything?
Joining was pretty straightforward, and the best part is that there were no extra fees involved. It was smooth and cost-free process, which was great.
Can you share your first experience logging into the RHA LP portal?
Logging into the Red Hat Academy Learning Portal for the first time was an eye-opener. The sheer volume of resources available is impressive and tech enthusiasts' dream come true.
How was your experience with accessing HTML content?
Accessing HTML content was a breeze, thanks to the well-organized materials provided by the Red Hat Academy.
Tell us about your experience with accessing labs.
The labs were a game changer for me. They provided an opportunity to apply what I learned in real-world scenarios, which was incredibly valuable.
Who did you reach out to if you encountered any issues?
If I ever faced any issues or had questions, reaching out to the Red Hat Academy support was easy, and they were always ready to assist. In conclusion, my experience with the Red Hat Academy program has been truly enriching. I encourage all of you to explore the opportunities it offers. Thanks for listening. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Keep learning and stay curious.